Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. Yate today, bought 3 items. This one is a countdown to Christmas, which I've done a separate video on. I've taken it apart so we can have a quick look inside. And I'll be giving that one to my daughter because she loves anything to do with Christmas. So that's covered in a separate video. Cost me £2. It counts down and it has a backlight on it. I was rather hoping that when it got to 0, it might flash him or something, but it doesn't. It just goes to 0. No alarm or anything. Just counts off, which is a shame. That would have been a nice touch. Right, this, again, paid £2 for it. It's a bulldog made out of cardboard. I have made similar kits, and I've also made lots of wooden kits, but this one is made from cardboard, which I thought was rather nice. So that'll go in the car for something to do when I'm sitting there waiting for Nanny, pass the time. And then finally, this, well, it caught my eye because it talks about being a rubber band drive, and I do rubber band powered cars on my other channel called Put a Rubber Band on It. Super creative, super eco-friendly. Junko is the world's first junk modelling system. It's completely reusable, so if you're bursting with ideas, you can make a new toy every day. Includes comic. www.planetjunko.com. Is there a date on it anywhere? Please keep documentation for future reference. There may be... Yeah. hello@laserbeameyes.com. Laserbeameyes Limited, Kemp House 152 to 160 City Road, London. EX1V2NX. Ages 6 to adult. Excuse me. Yeah, that's about it. Appears to have rubber bands in there. I'll get a tray to tip it out on. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.